Let me show you how to preserve green plantains. If you like green plantains like me, or you buy them in bulk and you don't want all of them to go ripe at the same time, just like this, although I'm going to use this for plantain pancake. Watch this video to the end. Hello my love, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your amazing comment, and always come back for more. So when you buy the green plantain, do well to wash it thoroughly with soap and sponge, and after that you pat it dry. Then you cut out the edges of the plantain, and then you go ahead to cut it in cubes depending on how you would want to cook it, either in 2, 3, 4, 5, just depending on how you love to cook your plantain, just the way I'm doing in this video. So when you're done cutting it, you get a Ziploc bag and put all the plantain in your Ziploc bag. But if you don't have a Ziploc bag, that's completely fine. You can use either a plate or in an open bowl. Just put them inside and send them straight to your fridge. We are going to store this in the freezer to stop the ripening process. This is best stored in the freezer, not the fridge. This can last up to 1 to 2 months, and anytime you bring it out from the fridge and anytime you bring it out to use, it will still be fresh. The only difference you will see is that the skin will turn black. So this one I stored in the freezer before I brought it out to cook and record for you to see. It wasn't up to 24 hours, but you can see the skin is already turning black. So the only difference you will see, the skin will turn black, but the plantain inside is still going to remain fresh, just as you can see. Now remember, I told you are to wash and cut them to your desired sizes and shape. So because we've already done that, I just put it straight to the pot, add my salt and let it cook, because this is how I want it. This is the size I want, right? So just put it in the fire and let it cook. So the good thing about saving green plantains in your freezer like this is because after cooking it still remains fresh. You can't even tell the difference from a fresh plantain and the one you brought out from your freezer. And another thing is that it's very easy to peel off the skin. The skin comes out very easy, stress-free, and it's so delicious. So this method applies to those who want to use it for plantain porridge. Just take off the skin, peel off the skin, cut it to your desired small sizes and put it in your freezer. Let me know in the comment section, how would you like to preserve your green plantains, that is your unripe plantain? How do you like to preserve them? Please, since you've watched this video to this point, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and always come back for more. Thanks for supporting me, and thank you for stopping by. So I'll just allow you to watch the rest of the video. Bye guys, see you in my next video.